everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I'm doing good. I have a new box for you again. A new box again. I am so excited about this box. This box is called Until Midnight. This box, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box. I'm excited for this box. This box is a monthly subscription box for the Paranormal Romance readers and Trinketeers. This box is $29 a month. They ship on the 26th of the month, and it says that you will be emailed when when it's being shipped out, so that you'll know exactly when you'll receive your box. It ships sorry, my nose itched. It ships worldwide from the United States. It automatically renews, and you may cancel at any time. It says it's a subscription box for romance lovers. Do you crave the dark side of romance and love to delve into a world of sexy heroes and taboo circumstances? Then come join us. Until Midnight is a subscription box made just for you, exclusively for the paranormal romance readers. I can't say this word to save my life. Devilishly, I said it. I'm not gonna say it again because then I'll mess it up again. Okay, let me see. A devilishly good paranormal romance book. Unique trinkets, exclusive treats only from the Natural Candy Store. Okay, and then it says you get an LED tricolor shot glass, funky glow-in-the-dark bookmark, jewelry, chocolate, and candy, and a paranormal romance novel. So, I'm kind of excited for this box because I love a good romance novel. So, let's see what's in this box. So, from what I understand, there isn't a card in the box, but it's okay. I did email her and asked if I could have a list of because I'm kind of weird like that. It's just me. Maybe some people don't care if there's a card in the box. I like to know what's in my box. It's just who I am. I'm a weirdo. I know it. So she did send me some, a list of what was in the box. She did say that normally she does not put a list in the box, which, I mean, it's okay. It's fine, but I like to know what's in my box. And I'm sure, she's probably thinking, this lady's crazy. I know, I'm a nut. I'm a nut, but I just like to be able to tell you guys exactly what's, I know, I'm messing with my hair again, I'm sorry. I like to tell you guys exactly what's in the box. So, you know what's in there. I know what's in there, and we both are aware of what's in there. So, as we go along, I will be looking down to see what's in the box. Okay, all right. All right, so let's open this box. So, here we go. All right, so this is what it looks like when we open it up. It's filled right up there. Okay. So the first thing on top is the bookmark, and it says that it glows in the dark. Now I'm not going to turn off all the lights and close my curtains. It says it glows in the dark, so I'm just going to believe that it glows in the dark. But I will read what it says. It says we can either fight everything or accept what we're given and make the most of it. And this is the bookmark by the person that wrote the book. So, Donna Grant. It's a very pretty bookmark. I do like that. Very nice. And let's see. Oh, it says that this is a dragon. Oh, maybe it does look like a dragon, kind of, sort of. Oh, I see. Okay. There's the claw there. You can see the little claw there. Okay, it's a Dragon Donna Grant theme bookmark. Yep. Okay, and then the book is called Torched, and it's a Dark King's novel. That's what it's called, and it's by Donna Grant, and it's a New York Times best-selling author. And there's the front of the book. And then, let's see, I'll read you a little bit a little bit of the back. The king of silvers, cunning, perceptive, resourceful, determined, banished from Dregan eons ago because of a betrayal that shattered his entire existence. His sole focus in life is to exact revenge against the Dragon King. A formidable fighter with centuries of rage on his side. I cannot say this word. Ulrik, Ulrik. Ulrik, I think that's how you say it. Ulrik will stop at nothing to take down those who exiled him. He has been alone, trusting no one for thousands of years, until she walks into his life. He should not yearn for her, but there is no stopping the fiercely burning attraction. When he's with her, he isn't thinking of war or revenge. He only thinks of her, craves her, burns for her, but soon he will be forced to choose. Will he continue on his course of destruction, or will he be able to set aside his vengeance to save the woman who risked everything for him? Ooh. Ooh. Sounds like a really good book. So there's the book. You get one book in your box every month. Sounds like a really good book. So there's the print size and I don't know how many pages. Let's say here. Looks to be 385. There is the author. Looks like a good book. Let me put my bookmark in here so I don't lose my bookmark. Okay, and then this is a thank you card from the Court of Dreams. Thank you for shopping with us, and we hope to hear from you again soon. And the Court of Dreams, I guess they have an Etsy shop and a Facebook and Instagram. I don't. And then we have a hand mirror. There's a hand mirror. There's the back. That's a pretty cool back. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying not to flash this. All right, let's see if I can open this now. I know it's going to be a mirror, and I apologize in advance if it flashes you. Oh, that is a very nice mirror. I do like that mirror. Okay, let's see if I can show you without flashing you. There's mirrors on both sides. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the mirror on both sides. And it is a very nice hand mirror. And there's the little gems or jewels or whatever you want to call that. What have you there. Very nice. Okay, and then we have a candle. Let's see, where is it? I don't know what this, it's a candle and it says Earth Vibes on it. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can see it. There we go. I'm trying to get it, like, there we go. Earth Vibes. It's a candle. I can't tell what smell it is. It smells good, but I can't tell what, I don't know this. I can't tell the scent. It smells good. Very nice. Smells really good. Okay, and then we have some box of chocolates. Russell Stover's chocolates. Very nice chocolates. I like some chocolates. And then we have a vial of, it's called Dragon's Blood. Dragon's Blood Veil is a tea of hibiscus and rose petals. There's that. It's hot tea, I'm assuming. It smells good. It smells really good. That does smell really good. I do like that. That smells yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. And has some bamboo coral. It's a little tiny vial. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it is just crystals. I think that's what it says crystals. Crystals. They don't smell, so I don't know why in the heck I even smelled them. They say crystals, and crystals are stones, and stones don't smell. My fault. But they are pretty stones, though. Crystals. They are pretty. If you can, they're very pretty. I like the little bottle too, but that's what they are, bamboo coral. And then lastly we have some fruit Gushers flavored lip balm, strawberry splash. There we are. Let me smell. Okay. Well, I don't know. Well, honestly, I mean, I like the box. I do. I like it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I really don't hate it. Would I buy it again? Maybe in a couple of months I might buy it. I don't like giving boxes bad reviews, and I'm not going to give this box a bad review. I just think that it needs a little more time. I hate to say bad things about boxes, and I'm not saying it's bad. It's not a bad box. This is a good start to this box. It really is, and I love the idea of this box. I really do. And I hope that you guys give this box a try. I really highly suggest this box. I don't get some of the things in the box, if that makes sense to you guys. I hope that makes sense. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Does it make sense? Please let me know in the comments if it makes sense that some of the things in the box doesn't make sense. Does that make sense? I know I sound like a complete blooming idiot right now, don't I? Anyway, I think that what I'm going to do is give this box another chance, because I really, really feel in my heart that this box is going to go far, because the idea behind this box, I know women are going to love this box, because women crave and want romance in their life so badly. And when I saw this box on Crave, I'm like, yes, Lord, yes, just what women want and need. But then when I started doing the video and I saw what was in the box, I'm like, no. What? No. But some of the stuff is like, oh my goodness, I love that. I just love that. But some of the stuff didn't make any sense. But some of the stuff is like, oh my goodness, I like that. That's a great idea. That's an awesome idea. So, the lip balm didn't make sense to me. The candle and the chocolates, that makes sense to me. The book, the candle, the chocolates, like, you know, that makes sense to me. The lip balm and the mirror, that didn't make sense to me. I mean, I guess, you know, I don't know. Maybe if I'm being too harsh, I want you guys to tell me, because I want you to tell me. If you think I'm being too harsh, I want you to tell me. Even if you're the curator of this box and you're watching this, you tell me if I'm being too harsh, because that's how it is here on my channel. If you think that I'm being too harsh, I want you to tell me. But also, I like to get the feedback, and I know you want my feedback, and you want my subscribers' feedbacks too. So I would hope that my subscribers will tell you in the comments how they either like the box or they don't like, or what they thought about your box. I pray that they tell you, you know, what they liked about your box. because I know that they'll like the box, or they might like 90% of the box, or they might say, well, this didn't make sense, or this is great about this box. So I hope that they do that for you so that you can get feedback on this box. That's what this is about. And I hope that you like the video, and I hope that the comments help you in progressing in your box, because this box is going to be amazing. I know, I can feel it. This box is going to be amazing because it is what women want in their lives, is romance and pampering. And I just feel like instead of lip balm, maybe bubble bath, or soap, or bath bomb instead of lip balm. Maybe that would make a little more sense. And I hope I'm not overstepping my boundaries, but I mean, I've done a lot of unboxings, and I just think that a bath bomb, or a small, just a travel size, even, you know, bubble bath would be better with this box, because you can get in the bathtub and take a bubble bath and read your book. I just think that would suit the box better. That's all. Just a suggestion, but I do love the idea behind this box, and I highly suggest this box, and I think it's only going to get better from here. So if I haven't offended the curator of this box yet, I greatly appreciate you sending this box to me. I think this box is going to be amazing. Amazing. And for my subscribers out there, you know that I always tell you the truth, and I do think that this box deserves a chance. I really think this box is going to be amazing. It is a brand new box. It's still a baby. So we need to let this box grow up and be amazing. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there, and don't forget to leave a comment below so that the curator of this box knows your thoughts on this box, and maybe we can help her out and help her make this box the most amazing box on Cravejoy. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video real soon. I hope that you enjoy each and every one of my videos, and I hope that you will check out some more of my videos that I will leave, you know, over in here somewhere, or in the iCards. All right, guys. Bye now.